Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my July Boxycharms here. So we're just going to get right on in. I have base premium as I do every month. Birds chirping. As I say in every video, my back is itching. Something's always itching in the videos, whether it's my nose, my back, my face, something. So we're going to get right into the base box here. Base box is here. Boxycharm status 0. Have no idea what that is supposed to mean. But I'm going to tell you first off that there was an item in this box that was damaged. It had exploded all over. Everything was destroyed. The packaging, everything was destroyed in the box. So I had to wipe it all apart, like all down and everything. And then they wanted to see the damage and all that stuff, and you know, and a picture of the shipping label, just so they can send me something that's completely different. They're not even replacing it with the product that I actually chose. I chose this product in this box. And so what are they replacing it with? I don't know. It hasn't gotten here yet. So I don't feel like waiting for that product to show up to film my video. So I'm just going to get right on in. I was able to smash it back together, and hopefully the pump still works, but I'm really ticked off about it that they're not replacing it with the same item that I chose. So I wasn't going to start with that, but since there is a hit story behind this box, I'm actually going to tell you about it. And it's the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids. This whole thing, not just the cap here, this whole thing around here was off, and all the stuff exploded through. So I don't know if it was from the heat or what. The pressure made it explode in the box, but I was able to smash it back together. I have yet to try the pump to see if it works. Who knows? If not, I'll be just pouring the stuff out into a jar or something and just using it, because it's still perfectly good. That was what, $24. Not bad. But I'm just mad that you're not going to replace it with the same thing, because whatever. Whatever. That's all I can say. It's just whatever. Okay, so let's start off at the very top of this card here, and it is the Alley Oop Stack the Odds, and this is this. So what is it? It's a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream, blush, bronzer, and highlighter for a complete natural look. So let's see what the color is. This is what the box looks like. The shade color is called Sun Kissed. Let's open it up and see what the heck it looks like, because I have yet to open any of these up. Okay, so that's the bronzer. It's cute little packaging. Woo! There's the bronzer. There's the blush. And how the heck you open? And there's the highlighter. So they're very pretty. We'll see how they are, because I'm really not a cream anything kind of person, and since it was barely anything for me to pick from, because I got on there really late to choose, because I do work, so it's hard for me to remember. Oh my, even though I have it in my calendar, it's really hard for me to remember, like, oh my god, get on the line and choose your options. So $38 for that thing there. No, I would not be paying that ever for anything like this. This is only going to dry out like crazy, because I mean, it's not like they really seal packaging. I mean, it's cute, but whatever. Alright, we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Self-explanatory. It's a moisturizing face cream. It is safe for sensitive skin and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture-boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin. So that's that. It is $76. Oh, I hit shaky shake. Pretty little lavender jar right there. Now, I gave my son the salicylic acid face cream because like I said, I don't get acne like that, but he's breaking out like crazy and we cannot keep it under control. So I gave that to him. This I will keep for myself. And next we have Jekka Black Glow Drops. Like, I don't use liquid stuff, so it's like, why? I don't get it. I really don't. I took it out of the packaging without showing you guys the packaging first. What is wrong with me today? And that is it right there in that box. My legs are falling asleep. And that's what it looks like there. It's probably sealed, so I can't even like look at it. And it's completely sealed. So I don't even know what the shade looks like. Let's see. Does it even tell me the shade? Rose Pearl. That is the color. Rose Pearl. So it should be pretty. And it is a highlight. Oh. Okay, so it is a highlighting primer for face. I don't know if it's anything like, what is that? Oh my god. Maybelline, I think, had one. Charlotte Tilbury had one. The frigging thing that everybody can use by itself under foundation or as, oh, I did it again, or as a highlighter. I hope that's not like this because I'm not sticking this on my face. Not all over my face. I don't need to be glowy everywhere. $20. $20 for that. Alright, next. We already did the First Aid Beauty. Next we have the Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. I don't do this either. I don't do liquid eyeshadow. It's a dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadow. One side is a creamy velvet pigmented what? Matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. Alright. Probably won't be using this. Who knows? And I'm about to gather all the makeup that I actually really don't use and just take it in a bin and just sell it. Like, for real. Like, because, I mean, it's unopened. Why not make money off of it? I don't use it. But I think the only two things that I really liked out of that box was the Kate Somerville thing and the First Aid Beauty wash. Like I said, if worse comes to worse, if the pump thing doesn't work anymore, I'm just going to empty it out into a frigging jar, a clean, sterile jar, and use it like a bomb. Like, why the hell not? I'm not going to sit there and waste it just because they won't replace it with the same thing. Can you all tell how really upset I am about that? Next, we have the premium box. Let's move on. I hope this box is a lot better. Got the same card. Says Boxycharm status 0, but it has 3 zeros. I guess that's what it means. I don't know. First, we have in here. Oh my god! So excited! I'm excited about this one. This is the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette. It's $48. I did not know this was coming in here at all. Yes, I follow, if you guys don't know who owns Lunar Beauty, it is Manny MUA. I watch all his videos. He's freaking hilarious. Love him to death. No, he's not watching my videos because I'm nobody. But I wanted this and I'm glad I didn't purchase this because it came in here and I would have had two and I didn't want to have two. But the packaging is so beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Check out the shades. If they're any prettier in person than they were online, I'm in heaven. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know how I'm going to show this to you. So, there. Alright. Maybe I can do it this way. Alright. There. Those are the colors. And you know what? Let me move it this way. These are the colors. They are absolutely gorgeous, neutral colors. Right up. Oh, there you guys are. Ring light. Gorgeous colors. I love it so much. I'm excited. Can't wait to try. You know what? I'm sorry. I gotta try. Oh, the shimmeries are so lovely. They're nice. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Love this. Beautiful. Shoot, this might be the eyeshadow palette I take with me traveling. And hopefully it doesn't break. Might have to keep the bubble package just in case. But love it. Amazing. Excited. And $48, that's not bad at all. At all. Next we have Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer. This I was able to pick. And I'm excited I did. Can't wait to try this. It is $37. I got it in the shade Wheat 4.5 because there were barely anything left. And then of course I knew nothing about like what their shade range was. So of course I had to like look online to see what it would be, and it's sealed so I can't even see what it looks like. But like I was saying, I had to go online to see like what color I could kind of fit in, especially like a summery color, and this seemed pretty good because I'm kind of looking for things that are more for like summer. I can just like throw it on, especially for the beach is what I'm trying to talk about. I'm not talking about like wearing this. I'm more of like a medium coverage girl during the weekend, but like when I'm away, I don't mind having something like this just to throw on. So that, like I said, was $37. Next we have Stone Street Soap House. Hold on, let me see what it says. Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream. So I know nothing about this. This is a new brand to Boxy. Never heard of this. This is $32. It says, with a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish, whatever that means. It says natural oils including Jehovah, yes, I said it correct the first time, argan and almonds, nourish the skin without making it greasy. So it's going to be sealed. I'm not going to be able to smell it, am I? Oh, no, it wasn't sealed. Well, it's actually not bad. And when I heard geranium, I'm just like, oh my God, it's going to really frigging stink. Because when you hear geranium, you think of what our yards used to look like back when I was a kid. A lot of people had geranium bushes in their yards, and I didn't like the smell. But that actually is not bad. So let's see. Like I said, $32, brand new to Boxy. Welcome to Boxy. And so we're going to move on to Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing. What? Antioxidant. Yeah, I was right. Oxidizing cleansing gel. Why is it that I can't? I'm reading it, saying it correct, and I still don't believe I'm saying it correctly. It's a mild, non-drying gel. Aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oil, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin feeling overexposed. So basically, it's just a cleansing cream gel. Like I said, this is holy shoot. I really want to say the other word. Guess how much this costs, everybody. This little tube here. This little 3.38 ounce is $110. $110. No. No. I'm glad it came in the box and I'm not spending my money on that. No. No. I live paycheck to paycheck. No. That's all I'm going to say is just no. Next we have Outree Best Bud Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. It says healthy hair begins. It would be nice to see the product, right? Healthy hair begins with healthy scalp. The Daily Duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients and jojoba. What? The hooba? Does that say? Boba, whatever, and avocado. I don't know what that word is. and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't know what this smells like. I have like the number 3 over there that came also in a Boxycharm. I don't know how good this stuff is. I'm going to have to do some reviews. I don't need my hair falling out. And this is a very expensive duo. Like, if anything, this... Oh my god, I'm itching everywhere. I think it's because my hair keeps going to my face. If anything, this is going to be something I take while traveling, so that way I can use it up, because I probably will never use this in my bathroom. But it's a nice size to take traveling. It's like nice. I could probably take this and stuff that it comes with, like the number 3 step, and there's a whole system for my hair, and hopefully my hair don't fall the hell out. Right. All right, so like I said, $86. No, it didn't. I meant to say $66. Oh my god, the last product fell to the floor. Oh my god, squeaky. I matched the next product. It's so cute. And it's by Luxie. All-purpose sponge set. And they're actually really soft and squishy. Like, really squishy. I kind of don't want to open them and get them dirty. But I'm going to try to open them up and nice and neat, maybe. And put it back in the packaging. I'm only going to take out one. I don't want to take out both. But they're little squishies. And they're really not hard at all. They're actually really nice. Almost kind of feels like the Beauty Blender. They're really cute. Smells pretty good too. Is there a reason why? They're two-toned. I don't know if you guys can see. The bottom is a lighter color than the top. And I don't know why. But maybe the card says why. I don't know. Would it be nice for me to like read the rest of the card of this product? Sure. And it is a duo-sided. Duo-sided sponge is best used damp and made for the liquid complexion products. Made for yours. The sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it to your skin. The microfiber sponge used dry will apply your powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines and whatever. So this is a Boxycharm exclusive. This is $40 for 2. I really don't know what the duo-sided means because it doesn't tell me exactly what each side is for. I thought it was going to be to explain like what the light color is and what the dark color is, and it's not. So that is it. And this one came with pretty orange foam. That was it for my Boxycharms this month of July. Sorry I keep touching it, but my hair keeps flying in my face and it's making me itch everywhere. So that is it. I'm done talking. Tell me what you guys got in your Boxycharms. If you get Boxycharm, give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.